I joined body with Oko prisoners to celebrate 1 year of my release from Italian prison. Osemwingie na him talk this one. Former Commissioner for Arts, Culture, Tourism and Diaspora Affairs, Osemwingie, with help from Edo State Government, don free 8 prisoners for Oko Correctional Facility for Benin City, Edo State. He can host the prisoners when dem jail for Tifitifi and Katakata on Wednesday, June 1st, 2022. Osemwingie come here and say as it don't be 1 year since dem free am from Torino prison for Italy for May 2021, he can't decide to go Oko prison to free some innocent people. But as he come visit the controller for the prison, we collaborate with Ministry of Justice to see the list of prisoners, he complain and say person dey inside prison for just 20,000 naira and another one 50,000 naira fine or stay 2 years for prison. This come make am call him friends to raise 2 million naira to free some of them. Commissioner for Communication and Orientation Andrew Mwata talk say dem go continue to make sure say the safety and well-being of Edo people dey gidigba. He con tell the prisoners say make dem comot body from bad things. Ebu Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.